there everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anne, I'm the home bartender. I have been on an Amaro kick lately. Today I'm going to make a cocktail with Amaro Averna. It is called a Debbie Don't, and if you want to find out why it's called a Debbie Don't, then stick around. I'll go through the ingredients with you next. You will need 1 ounce of Reposado Tequila, 1 ounce of Amaro Averna, 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of maple syrup, and there is no garnish for today's cocktail. I found the Debbie Don't in Sasha Petraske's regarding cocktail book of the milk and honey fame. You probably already know who he is. But the creator of the cocktail is Zachary Rubin. He created it while working at Dutch Kills. It's named after the ghost that haunts the Dutch Kills bathroom. So we're gonna start with 1/2 ounce of maple syrup. And then we're gonna get 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Now, if this seems like too much lemon or that seems like too much maple, you can always cut it back a little bit. Then we're gonna have 1 ounce of Amaro Averna and then 1 ounce of Reposado Tequila. I use this tequila because it's a little bit sweeter, but use whatever you have. Okay, let's get some ice in there. Shake this up. Get my glass here, my little coupe. That looks amazing. What an interesting color. That is the Debbie Don't. I have tried this cocktail before, but I want to give you some tasting notes. Man, it is so interesting. I remember why I wanted to put it on the channel. It's a little bit tart, but hold on for a second. It evolves quickly. I get a molasses flavor, and then there's a spice that comes right behind that. Also like a brown sugar comes on. And it does go down super easy. It warms you up really quickly. You don't have that booze burn with this drink. It does not taste like a super boozy drink. The Amaro Averna is almost like a sweet Coca-Cola that's like an herbal delight. And the tequila with the agave sweetness and the other 2 ingredients in this cocktail, they really mix together well. It's got a very smooth mouthfeel or texture. It's a drink that you just want to keep sipping because it's interesting, and that I love that about a drink. It's different every time you sip it. It's honestly perfectly sweet and tart at the same time. It's totally unique and worth buying that Amaro Averna bottle. I got that for my birthday, and I'm very sure that I will keep playing with it, especially through the summer. Thank you, Zachary, for creating this cocktail. It is fabulous, so you just gotta try this. Thanks so much for checking out my channel today, and I hope to see you in the comments, or at least see you next Friday with another great cocktail. Be well.